Hi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi unveiled the logo, theme, and website of the India's presidency for the G20 yesterday, that is on November 8th, 2022. India assuming G20 presidency is a matter of pride for all the 130 crore Indians because India is going to host the G20 summit for the very first time next year. First, I will tell you what is the theme of this G20 during our presidency. The theme is very easy to remember: one earth, one family, one future. One earth, one family, one future is the theme for India's presidency of G20. And the logo depicts a lotus flower, and on top of that lotus flower, we have planet Earth. That means the planet Earth sits on the lotus flower, and that logo also has a message on it: Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam is mentioned on that logo along with that lotus flower with planet Earth. Remember, lotus is our national flower. Our Prime Minister said that lotus symbolizes hope, and lotus also symbolizes India's ancient heritage. And in the logo, the lotus has 7 petals. That means you can guess the 7 petals represent 7 continents. So that is about the logo theme of the G20, which was unveiled yesterday by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Then you should know what is this G20. G20 is a grouping of 20 major economies. It includes 19 countries plus one grouping called European Union. So these 19 countries plus European Union, they are part of this G20, very powerful grouping which discuss important issues, the world, important challenges faced by the world. These 19 countries are G7 countries, then Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa, Australia, Argentina, Mexico, Saudi Arabia, South Korea, Indonesia, and Turkey. So total 19 countries plus one political and economic union called European Union. So total 20 are members of 20 economies are members of this powerful grouping called G20, group of 20 economies, which constitute 2/3 of the population of the world. So that's why it's very, very important grouping in the world. And it is for the first time that India is going to be the president of this G20 grouping. India will assume the G20 presidency on December 1st, 2022 from the current chair, that is Indonesia, and India will be the chair for 1 year, that is till November 30th, 2023. And during this period of 1 year, India will host more than 200 meetings in multiple locations across our country. And among them, the all-important G20 summit will be held in New Delhi in September 2023. So it will be a huge honor and huge pride for all the countrymen because we are hosting the G20 summit for the first time in September 2023. Bye-bye.